10 reasons why XRP can reach $100 soon. In a young world of cryptocurrencies, XRP is one of the crypto assets that is aiming to shake up the entire industry, namely the cross-border payments industry. But will XRP ever reach $100? When can you expect the XRP explosion? And most importantly, when is the good time to invest in XRP? Welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, the channel where we teach you everything about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here. Also click the link in the description if you want to learn everything about crypto investing. In today's video, we will be looking at the top 10 potential reasons why XRP can reach $100 soon. So if you want to get rich by investing in XRP, then keep on watching till the end. What will be the future of Ripple XRP? Guys, cryptocurrencies are an emerging technology designed to disrupt the future of a number of markets. The essential thing to know about Ripple XRP is that it is a real-time gross settlement system, but also a foreign exchange market and finally a remittance network. Seeing the tremendous success of Bitcoin, many people are inquisitive about what will be the future of XRP. Let us look at some of the reasons why I think XRP can reach $100 soon. Reason 1. Lightning fast speed and low fees of XRP. Ripple's goals for XRP are quite different from what Bitcoin is aiming to achieve. Both provide users of the cryptocurrency a way to control their own assets. However, Ripple was designed for speed and to achieve some of the lowest fees of any crypto asset. These attributes make it extremely attractive for banks. Guys, you won't believe this, but Ripple is said to eventually become a replacement for SWIFT, which is the current standard for international bank wires that includes slow speeds and high fees. Banks have been trialing Ripple's XRapid, which uses XRP to move funds at lightning fast speeds between two third parties. In fact, it is speculated that XRP may also disrupt traditional cross-border payments, such as Western Union and MoneyGram, and recently acquired an ownership stake in MoneyGram, making the price of the stock skyrocketing. Because Ripple can potentially become the new standard across so many industries, Ripple has among the highest long-term price potential out of any crypto asset. Short and long-term prices can be difficult to predict. However, in this video, I will provide detailed information from industry experts and in-depth technical analysis in order to help provide accurate Ripple price predictions and answer commonly asked questions such as how high will Ripple go and how much will Ripple be worth in 5 years. Reason 2. Ripple XRP addresses a real-world issue. Guys, what is absolutely shocking is that Ripple XRP CEO Brad Garlinghouse made some noise in an interview with Bloomberg when he said that 99% of all cryptocurrencies will probably go to zero in the future. He's absolutely right. Only cryptocurrencies that address real-world issues can survive in the long term. The good news is that Ripple is one of the cryptocurrency projects that address real-world issues. This is the issue of secure, fast, inexpensive remittance around the world. Ripple is primarily aimed at the banking world, which relies mainly on the SWIFT system. Created in 1970, SWIFT is an old system that is no longer adapted to the speed needs of today's world. Indeed, as we approach the year 2020, it is not normal for a transfer of funds between two clients of a bank to take from 2 to 6 days. Worse still, SWIFT imposes very high transfer fees. That is why banks are looking for an alternative to offer their customers to accelerate bank exchanges. And what can be a better alternative than Ripple XRP? Reason 3. Ripple XRP is a secure, fast, and reliable technology. Ripple is a secure, fast, and reliable technology, which has numerous advantages over SWIFT, such as Ripple's network is very fast, since transactions take a maximum of 4 seconds to be validated. The centralization of the network allows such speeds. Transaction fees for exchanges on the Ripple network are extremely low. Currently, they are below 0.004 cents per transaction. The Ripple system is also transparent since all transactions are available for consultation. This choice for Ripple centralization is excellent to reassure banks, but also to guarantee more security and faster transactions. On the other hand, it condemns Ripple in the eyes of Bitcoin advocates and many other individual investors who see this as a major flaw that will prevent potential mass adoption by the general public of Ripple. Fortunately, that is clearly not Ripple's primary goal. Reason 4. Ripple XRP has already attracted more than 100 banks. Ripple's objective to become the pivotal reference system in the world of interbank exchanges is very ambitious. Indeed, SWIFT is an institution and it is always difficult to dislodge a historical leader with such weight. However, Ripple is already of interest to many banks as partnerships with more than 100 banks have already been established. The banks who have partnered with Ripple are very large banks, including Bank of America, UBS, Standard Chartered, Barclays, JP Morgan, Santander, and American Express. These partnerships range from testing the Ripple network to using it in real conditions for inter-agency exchanges between countries, for example. All these banks view Ripple favorably to break Swift's hedge money and thus create competition that would lower transaction fees. All this suggests that Ripple can be as powerful as a system as Swift, or even take leadership in the sector in the future. If that happens, you can expect Ripple XRP to skyrocket to an even higher value than Bitcoin. Reason 5. XRP can also be used by individuals. Guys, the next major reason is that Ripple targets banks first and foremost by seeking to become the interbank exchange system of the future. However, this does not mean that individuals cannot use the Ripple network to transfer funds. It means that an Australian resident can use Ripple to send money to a friend living in the United States very quickly with almost no transaction fees. XRP tokens can be exchanged from the main fiat currencies such as the US dollar or the euro. As proof that Ripple is keeping individuals in the corner of its head for the future, Ripple is developing a new mobile banking platform that will allow its users to spend and store their XRP tokens and fiat currencies directly. If that happens, it'll be so amazing, right? Reason 6. Partnerships and media. As a team of finance, technology, and fintech veterans, Ripple has demonstrated a clear understanding and has emphasized on partnerships and media interactions. Ripple now has over 75 commercially deploying customers and over 100 currencies on their roster. But more than just establishing a customer base, Ripple has used strategic partnerships to generate buzz. For instance, the recently announced partnership with American Express, which was many Americans' first encounter with Ripple, and immediately situated the brand as a reliable financial service, rather than a weird or intermediate new technology. This approach by Ripple is definitely going to be successful. Reason 7. Asia. The next reason on our list is related to Asia. Asia plays a key role in this strategy, as Asians are going mad for Ripple. This is not an unfounded claim. Last year, Ripple partnered with SBI Holdings to launch SBI Ripple Asia to serve markets in China, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, and Asian countries by establishing a dedicated sales and engineering group tasked with selling and installing solutions for cross-border bank payments. A lot of people are beginning to realize how big of an opportunity there is between business and the blockchain, and that's making Ripple the early winner in these regions. Reason 8. Coinbase rumors. The effect of this media boom has a major uptick in rumors that Coinbase will soon support XRP buying, selling, and trading on its platform. The widespread assumption is that if that occurs, a whole new crop of buyers will start investing in XRP. Reason 9. XRP functionality and customer grasp. Guys, another reason is that many coins right now are bought and traded based on pure speculation, and there's nothing wrong with that per se. It's how many young altcoins with great ideas will flesh out their networks before they're fully operational. But it also means that most currencies are backed almost exclusively by ideas and public belief in those ideas, which is a dangerous position to be in when something like yesterday's drop comes into play. In this regard, Ripple is actually a useful product to its customers now, regardless of what it will or will not build in the future. And these customers happen to be some of the biggest financial institutions in the world, and its speed and low fees also make it appealing to general customers. Reason 10. Conclusion. Guys, there's a lot of criticism of Ripple. For many Bitcoin supporters, Ripple is too centralized and simply too much in the hands of its creators. I must say that these criticisms and reservations are legitimate if Ripple is considered a competitor of Bitcoin. Similarly, some people talk about scams when they talk about XRP tokens. Again, it must be understood that XRP is not intended to be used as an investment. It's an exchange token for the Ripple network. Provided that we consider Ripple for what it is, namely a payment system aimed at revolutionizing the world of banking exchanges in the future by replacing Swift, it seems obvious to me that its future will be brilliant for the 10 reasons I have just explained to you. And in no time, we can expect XRP to reach $100 in the market cap. So guys, this is it for today's video. What do you think about XRP reaching $100? Tell us in the comments section below. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And thanks for watching.